Hey everyone, I'm Chase Booth, product manager for the Momentum division here at Grand Design RV, and I am really excited to bring to you this one-piece Tekmoto worry-free roof for the Momentum division. This is going to be on your Momentum fifth wheels, on your G-Class fifth wheels, and your G-Class travel trailers. And what a cool system it is, guys. This is a one-piece, fully laminated composite roof system that is exclusive to Grand Design, and it is incredible. Not only does it have a clean look, but it is really low maintenance. But in addition, it is impact resistant. So, you often have these times where, you're bringing your camper into a campground or really just any sort of road that has, low-lying trees, and you're worried about, but you can't really avoid having those tree limbs scrape the top of your roof. Really not going to be a big deal up on this roof. So these are just a couple things that I want to show to you. Let's get into the details up here. Come on. This Tekmoto worry-free roof is seamless and composite material that gives it an incredible amount of strength, but also an incredible amount of protection. You don't have 8x4 sheets of wood running all the way down. So like I said, seamless, but it gives it an incredible amount of strength. Any sort of water runoff or anything runs right down to the gutter, pushing everything away to the coach. There is no wood on this one-piece structure that goes over the top of your Momentum fifth wheel here. So we are able to get an incredible amount of strength from this with a lot less material, which allows us to save a lot of that weight as well. But as you can see too, this material is so smooth that nothing really bonds to it, mold or things like that. So if you ever really need to just spray or clean off your roof, it is incredibly easy to it. If there's ever any mold that would start to build up, it just sprays right off. One of my favorite things about the Tekmoto worry-free roof are the automotive grade gaskets. You may be asking, what am I looking at up here on this roof with the accessories? And that is the fact that we attach every accessory up here, from ACs, skylights, roof vents, with these automotive grade gaskets. So our installation process uses the proper torque settings to make sure that we're seating each of these pieces to the proper compression that the automotive grade gaskets need. This allows us to get this incredibly clean look, but very effective seal around each of these holes and the accessories that we have here on the roof of your Momentum fifth wheel, your Momentum G-Class fifth wheel, and your G-Class travel trailer. Thanks again for coming out today to look at this new Tekmoto worry-free roof. This is our new one-piece, fully composite roof system that requires little to zero maintenance. It's also standard on every G-Class trailer, G-Class fifth wheel, and full Momentum fifth wheel. So for more information, check out granddesignrv.com or head out to your local dealer.